Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the SPTA 3-inch mini polisher. Let's see what we've got in the box. Another box. Okay, get wash mitt, couple of microfibers, the machine itself, spare parts, tool, instructions, and another couple of pads. What I'm going to tidy this area up, lay it all out, get an extension, and then we'll have a little bit more of a look over it. Okay, so laid it out now. These are the pads you get with it. You get a soft pad, medium pad, coarse pad. Go in that order with them. Having a look at the machine itself. It's made out of nice strong plastic. Nothing folds or bends in or anything like that. Doesn't feel cheap or anything. Nice thick gauge cables. I'll have a little measure, see how long the actual cable is. So you get pretty much 4 metre cable, just under 4 metres, but it's very close to 4 metres, which is a nice amount, so you don't have to keep moving everything around as you're working on a vehicle or whatever you're working on using it. We're going to plug it in. I'm going to see if it's loud, quiet or anything. So on off is here. It gives you your speed settings and what speed you'll be setting at. So we'll set it at 1. So push down. Has a log function. Release it. Minimal. Lightweight. Very lightweight. See if I can balance it. So we're going to give it a quick little going over. Pad's been primed. As you can see, just got to spend a little bit more time and refine it. Hard to pick it up on camera, but you can see what just a few passes done.